Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the LiBa Electric Bug Zapper, a powerful indoor insect killer that comes in a convenient 2-pack with 4 extra replacement bulbs. This zapper is designed to attract and eliminate all kinds of flying bugs, like flies and mosquitoes, using 2 light bulbs that instantly zap anything flying through its powerful 2800 volts grid. Safety is a priority with a protective screen to keep small fingers safe, and each unit includes an easy on and off switch and a 5-foot cord for flexibility in placement. The Bug Zapper is chemical-free, making it a clean alternative to smelly sprays, and features a removable tray for easy cleaning. Setup is a breeze with an included chain for hanging, or you can place it on any countertop or floor, making it ideal for use in hospitals, workplaces, restaurants, and more. Remember, this product is designed for indoor use only, as it is not waterproof. Plus, with 2 bonus light bulbs included, you can ensure your zapper stays effective for a long time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.